Welcome everyone. Today we're going to go over some of the bots I started yesterday. Started the Dynamic Grid Trader and the Scalper bot yesterday. QFL Reverse and QFL. The market, as you have seen, has been in a big downtrend. So this was a good opportunity to turn on the Dynamic Grid Trader and also the Scalper bot. What I was expecting was the market to come down and start going up. And what I had said was that if it starts pulling back, I want to buy the dips. So what the Dynamic Grid Trader will do is, let me fix this. We'll buy below these dips, and what the Scalper bot will do is buy above these levels here on the trend up. So we're looking for an up move. We want to buy the pullbacks at the same time. We want to buy the breakouts. So let's go through some of the trades from yesterday, and most of them, some of them are profitable, some of them are just out of the money, and I'll explain to you how that works. So we had YFI run yesterday. I didn't get any trades in that. The value was too big, so I didn't have big trades in there. TRB, it broke above this yesterday, and I bought it and got a nice 3% profit right here. BZRX, it broke out, pulled back, bought the pullback and got a trade here. I manually exited that one, but you can see that this has been on an uptrend. YFII, it broke out, pulled back. I manually got the trades out. Here's another level, bought that, and I also had exited out of that one also. Rune, I didn't get any trades. Sushi, I broke out of this. I got buys over here, and I had gotten some sales here. Okay, so I bought here, sold there, bought back, sold there, and then it broke out of this one, so I bought another one, and it has another sell order for another top up there. We got banned. You can see this nice downtrend. Bought the breakout, sold it. Here's another up move, bought again. Vet broke out, bought right here, got a 3% profit, sold out, and that's probably going to buy back up again. Now you can turn these bots off, because if you think the coin has run up, you don't want to keep running this, so you can stop it and just leave the Dynamic Grid Trader. It'll buy the pullbacks on the down dips. So here's an example of Dynamic Grid Trader would not have executed any of these trades because the coin never came below this support level, so it would have never bought. But because I have the Scalper bot running, it's buying on the way up. BLZ also broke out here, bought, sold 3%. KSM broke out, bought, sold. Atom broke out, bought, sold. I just sold just now, okay. DeFi didn't get in, probably didn't have the amount value to buy this. UNI, it bought on the breakout, came right to the top. I didn't get my sell. I don't know if this was also 3%, but looks like it's gonna probably hit that range. I'll probably get that sell, and then it's probably gonna break out again and probably make another move, so I'll probably buy again. Waves, broke out of this one, it bought it, manually sold that one. This is a Dynamic Grid, came back down, bought the pullback. Dot, here's another one, and it's almost sold there. OMG broke out, It's gonna buy probably another one up here and probably put another sell up at the top. Comp. Also, same broke out, and it's probably gonna buy another one here, but this one we want to sell up here. Ren, so here's one. Okay, so here you can see it's coming down, came out in a breakout. It's a false breakout, but it did buy it because it was above this one, so I'm out of the money on that one. But what I'm expecting is that for it to do another pullback and then start coming up again. So on the up move, it's going to start buying up again. So I'll have more positions on the way up. So this is what you can use to build positions. And you can also, when you play these bots, you don't want to put maximize positions on each trade. You want it to let the trade build out. So what I'm expecting for this to do, hard time using this. So I'm expecting this to do this, and then it starts coming back up. Okay. And then it's going to start buying these breakouts. Okay, so I already bought a position up here, and I want to buy some more positions on the way up again. And then I want to take profits as they run out. So I'm expecting something like that to happen. So I'll start buying these levels here, and that's how I play that. The way a lot of people play bots is one size fit all, and at the same time they expect to make money on every trade. What we're trying to do is not make money on every trade. What we're trying to do is play the trend and buy as the trend moves in your favor. So you're gonna have to have multiple buys at different levels before you start taking profits. And this is how, now all the trades I showed you before, those were quick trades, but that's not gonna happen every time. I'm not here to sell you wishful thinking. And this is trading. This is how trading works. So if you can understand that, and you can understand that you're not gonna make money on every trade, but over time, if you play the trends, you eventually end up making money. Comp was the one we just went over. OMG starting to break out again. But this is good right now because the market has been hammered, starting to run up, and I want to build these positions up. You can take some profits, or you can just hold on to them because the trend is running. So you can cancel your sales, but you want to keep the positions, and it'll keep buying up. So for example, I could have never sold this one. I could have just canceled my sales and let it buy until it gets a nice sharp up move, and then that's when you sell. But the good thing is I don't have to sit on my computer and try to watch these coins all the time. I know how these bots work, and I know how they trade, and I know how they're gonna buy. So I just turn them on and just leave it on the coins that I like to trade. So let me go at some positions that I'll show you. Okay, so here's Ren. We just went over this one, ZRX. Also bought above this one, and it didn't get in this one because of our algorithm. I can't tell you what it is, but now it's going to start building a position in here again. But you see what I was saying, it bought, pull back, and now it's going to start doing this. Okay, here you go. Here's an ideal example how it starts building position on the way up. I can increase my take profit targets on this one. It could possibly run to 4.8. but you see how it's building a position, and that's what we're looking to do. So I could have, if I would have turned it on earlier, probably would have gotten buy here, a buy here, a buy here, and we're looking for a nice move to the upside. MKR just executed. Let's look at this one. Okay, so this one just broke out and starting to buy. So you see a big downtrend. Now it's starting an uptrend. Nothing here, but you can see it's a big downtrend all the way up. And because it's a downtrend, we want to start buying on the up move if we're hoping that it's going to go up. So we'll start buying up here. I don't have to worry about it. I know it's going to do it. And the thing is, if it keeps coming down, it's not going to buy unless the uptrend starts again. So that's the good thing about it, is I don't have to sit on my computer all the time, keep watching this. Link, no trades there. StoreJ, okay, downtrend. Looking for an up move. I didn't start my bot here. Okay, AVAX. I think we just went over this one. Okay, NEO. Downtrend, starting an uptrend. We got in. ETH, I also got in, but I sold this one quick. Bought too many positions, so I sold out of that one. But this would have been a profitable trade if I would have just kept it. No trades here. Here's Bell. Okay, so here's another example. It's building a position on the way up. And you can see this big downtrend. So as long as you're right on the trend that's going to happen, which is going to go up, then yeah, you're good. But if you're wrong, this is going to come down. So, I mean, there is some manual intervention required. But just keep that in mind. Okay, here's another downtrend. Okay, EGLD. So it broke out, I bought it, and I'm out of the money in this one. So you're not gonna make money every time. It's not gonna buy the perfect breakout every time. I'm not trying to sell you I'm not here to try to sell you some get rich scheme. We're just trying to show you how trading works and how you can use these bots for your advantage. Here's XMR. I bought it, pulled back out of the money in this one. This one hasn't triggered yet. Okay, this one has some sold. I'm running many different things on here, so I'm not gonna go over this one. Alright, so those are all the trades that within the last 24 hours. Just giving you an example how the scalper bot works. Here's Kava, about this breakout. And it's just a matter of a little bit trading experience and a matter of understanding how these coins move and how to use these bots to your advantage. Alright, thank you everyone. Please like, subscribe, and please tell other traders about this. Thank you.